Hi students, I'm with you again with another lesson. This is for entry 2. It's a grammar lesson, and of course anybody else and everybody else can have a look and practice. It's called the simple past tense. This tense describes the past events or actions which are now finished. So do follow me and practice with me on each slide. Please do subscribe to the channel and like the videos. So let's have a look at the next slide. Okay, so let's have a look at the formula of simple past versus the simple present. So in the simple past then, you have a pronoun plus verb with ed plus preposition plus noun. So example, they went to school. So they is a pronoun, went is a past verb for go, to is a preposition, and noun is the school. Whereas with the simple present, pronoun plus verb, and there's no ed, plus preposition plus noun, and the example, they go to school. So let's have a look at now some verbs and sentences. And on the next slide. So list of regular verbs and sentences. So examples of regular verbs with the ed is cooked, looked, liked, kicked, watched, washed, exercised. So we can now have a look at the sentences. She cooked in the morning. She cooked in the morning. I looked at the map before I left home. I looked at the map before I left home. I really liked her good manners. I really liked her good manners. They kicked the ball into the net. They kicked the ball into the net. I watched my favorite film last night. I watched my favorite film last night. I washed the car yesterday. I washed the car yesterday. I exercised before I went to sleep. I exercised before I went to sleep. Now practice this on your own, and remember that this is a use of the regular verb, and the regular verb ends with the ed. So let's have a look at now the irregular verbs on the next slide. So here's a list of irregular verbs and sentences. So irregular verbs are the ones that we have a different spelling. So the word took is a past for take. The word met is past for meet. And the word sent is the past for send. The word meant is for mean. Came is the past for come. Began is the past for begin. And brought is the past for bring. So it's a complete change of spelling, and this is why we call these words irregular verbs. So let's have a look at the sentences. The child took the wrong medicine. The child took the wrong medicine. I met my friends at a wedding. I met my friends at a wedding. I sent her the message last night. I sent her the message last night. I meant to invite her, but I forgot. So you've got two verbs here. I meant to invite her, but I forgot. She came late from work. She came late from work. He began to shout when he saw her. He began to shout when he saw her. Again, you've got two irregular verbs in this sentence. They brought flowers when they came to my house. They brought flowers when they came to my house. So you've got two irregular verbs in this sentence as well. Let's have a look at the next slide, which is the last one. Well, the last one says find other daily verbs. So now you can find your own verbs that you use and write your own simple past sentences. For more practice, don't forget to like the video. Thank you so much. Until next time, bye bye now.